There will be times when you get in your truck and it will not start in park. An example. Nothing. So if you get stuck like this, the one thing that will solve it is to put it in neutral. With mine, I have to jiggle it around usually a little bit to get it in there, get it in neutral, and then it starts. So the first few times I thought there was something wrong with the truck, and there is. It's a little screw under the dash is loose. I'll have to tighten that up again. I've got to put some Loctite or something on the screws to make them so they don't wiggle out. But it's a very common thing with Ford trucks. So if you get stuck in park, can't start it, put it in neutral, and you're off to the races. Hope that helps. Hope that gets you started. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.